Life is a dance, you better clap your hands. Life is a dance, you better clap your hands. Life is a dance, you better clap your hands. Better clap your hands. A chicky chicky boom, chicky chicky boom, chicky 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 boom, boom boom.
Life is a treat, you better stomp your feet. Life is a treat, you better stomp your feet. Life is a treat, you better stomp your feet. You better stomp, you better stomp, you better stomp your feet.
Better clap your hands.
Hey,
a chicky chicky boom, chicky chicky boom, chicky 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 boom, boom boom.
Oh, life is a breeze, you better pat your knees. Life is a breeze, you better pat your knees. Life is a breeze, you better pat those knees. Pat, 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 oh, pat your knees.
You better stomp, you better stomp, you better stomp your feet.
You better clap your hands.
Sing.
A chicky chicky boom, chicky chicky boom, chicky 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 boom, boom boom.
Life is a snap, you better snap, snap, snap. Life is a snap, you better snap, snap, snap. Life is a snap, you better snap, snap, snap. Better snap, better snap, better snap, snap, snap.
You better pat, you better pat, you better pat those knees.
You better stomp, you better stomp, you better stomp those feet.
You better clap your hands.
Sing.
A chicky chicky boom, chicky chicky boom, chicky 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 boom.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
What are you doing, Miss Lee?
¿Qué pasa, Miss Lee?
I'm counting my chickens before they hatch. You see, each one of these eggs has the part of a song inside. Would you like to help me?
Sure, Miss Lee.
Okay, ready?
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
Thanks for helping.
You're welcome.
Would you like to learn what the parts of a song are?
Sure.
¿Qué son las partes de una canción?
Let's get ready to learn. Early on, friends.
In 3, 2, 1.
En 3, 2, 1.
On, early on, early on. Let's get started early on. Let's get started early on. On, early on, early on. Let's get started early on. Let's get started early on. Early on. Let's get started early on. Early on. Let's get started early on. Early on. Early on. Let's get started early on. Let's get started early on. Well, long, read along. Long, read along. Everybody read along. Everybody read along. Long, read along. Long, read along. Everybody read along. Everybody read along. On, early on. Let's get started early on. Early on. Let's get started early on.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Cat Paws. My name is Miss Lee. This is Gato, and these are my friends, mis amigos.
Las palomitas del campo nacieron para volar. Mi corazón nació libre y alegre para cantar. Cantaremos juntos, cantaremos juntos, cantaremos juntos, cantaremos juntos, cantaremos juntos, cantaremos juntos, cantaremos juntos. Las palomitas del campo nacieron para volar. Mi corazón nació libre y alegre para
What do you think came first? The chicken or the egg? The melody or the lyrics? The title or the story?
Well, I don't know, but today I'm going to tell one of my very favorite stories. It's called The Little Red Hen. But instead of the little red hen baking a cake, she's going to write a song.
Pero en lugar de hacer pan, nuestra gallina roja y pequeña quiere hacer una canción.
Now, she's going to need a lot of help, but I think she can do it. Will you help me tell the story?
Sí se puede.
Con esperanza we will have a chance. Todos bailando, all of us dancing. Con esperanza we will have a chance.
Once upon a time, there was a little red hen. Now, early one morning, when she was out dancing in the morning sun, the little red hen decided that she needed an early morning song. Who will help me write my song? She asked, but no one answered.
¿Quién me va a ayudar a escribir mi canción? Preguntó ella, pero nadie contestó.
The little red hen was not discouraged. She wanted to write the song, and she knew she could get some help. And so she walked to the house where the brown bear was eating honey with her paws.
Así pues, caminó a la casa donde el oso café estaba comiendo miel con sus manos.
How many miles will you walk with me? How many miles will you go? How many songs will you sing with me? Peace, shoes of peace, I put them on, I start to walk. I share my love, I share my light, I start to walk. And I will not grow weary, and I will not grow cold, for I put on the shoes of peace. And I will not grow weary, and I will not grow cold, for I put on the shoes of peace.
And she knocked on the door.
Knock, knock, who's there? Everybody's welcome inside. Don't you see the doors open wide, and you can make yourself at home? Knock, knock, who's there? Won't you come on in from the rain, till your heart is happy again, and you do not feel so alone. You just follow the rising star, one that is distant, one that is far, and I know you'll find your way in the dark if you follow the rising star. You just follow the rising star, one that is distant, one that is far, and I know you'll find your way in the dark if you follow the rising star.
When the door opened, the bear stepped outside. Top of the morning to you, brown bear. I'm going to write a song for my morning dance. Would you like to help me? I'm going to start with the melody.
Yo voy a escribir una canción para mi baile de la mañana. ¿Quieres ayudarme? Voy a comenzar con la melodía.
I am about to do a brand new thing.
The brown bear shook its head and said, "No, no, no, I will not help." Just then, some beautiful children ran out of the house and said, "We'll help you write the melody, Little Red Hen." And they did.
Entonces, unos niños hermosos corrieron de la casa y le dijeron a la gallina pequeña y roja, nosotros le ayudamos a escribir una melodía. Y sí lo hicieron.
Moving on, I am moving on. I feel free and I feel strong. I am moving on. I am gonna walk with my brother. I am gonna walk with my brother. I am gonna walk with my brother. I am moving on. Moving on, I am moving on. I feel free and I feel strong. I am moving on. I am gonna walk with my sister. I am gonna walk with my sister. I am gonna walk with my sister. I am moving on. Moving on, I am moving on. I feel free and I feel strong. I am moving on. I am gonna walk with my mother. I am gonna walk with my mother. I am gonna walk with my mother. I am moving on. Moving on, I am moving on. I feel free and I feel strong. I am moving on. I am gonna walk with my father. I am gonna walk with my father. I am gonna walk with my father. I am moving on.
The Little Red Hen went on to the next house. She was excited about the song, and she loved the melody that she and the little children had written.
How many miles will you walk with me? How many miles will you go? How many songs will you sing with me? Peace, shoes of peace, I put them on. I start to walk. I share my love, I share my light. I start to walk.
When the Little Red Hen got to the next house, the house of the dog and cat, she knocked.
Cuando la gallina llegó a la siguiente casa de perro y gato, ella tocó la puerta.
Knock, knock, who's there? Won't you come on in from the rain? Till your heart is happy again and you do not feel so alone. You just follow the rising star, one that is distant, one that is far, and I know you'll find your way in the dark if you follow the rising star.
The dog and the cat opened the door